What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are going to go over how to properly tape down the bottom lashes to start your eyelash extensions. So you want to start off by brushing the lashes. Sometimes they can be tangled with the bottom lashes, so that's why I always like to start off brushing them. And so you do the same to both sides every time. If you do need to do a lash bath, I do have another video that you can watch, and it shows you step by step how to do a lash bath. So first thing you need are the eye patches. So you'll open them up. You should have 2 in one pack. So once you open them up, you'll see there's 2 different sides. It's hard to tell, but if you look at them, you can tell the difference. There's going to be a thinner side, and there's going to be a side that's thicker than the other. So the thinner side goes into the inner eye, so closer to the nose, and you will peel this. It's kind of like a sticker. You'll peel the sticker and start to apply these patches onto the bottom lashes. So the point of this would be to isolate all of the bottom lashes from the top lashes so that when you're lashing, you don't accidentally lash the bottom lashes. So there's 2 different ways you can get the pads onto the eyes. You either have your client close their eyes and you kind of tug the upper eyelid towards you and put the pad underneath, or you can have your client look back at you, which is always my favorite way, and then you apply the pads underneath while they look back at you. So doing the same to both eyes, you are just having them look back at you, put the pad underneath, which is my favorite way, and you're applying the pad onto the bottom lashes. Always leave a space between the waterline and the actual pad. You don't want to put it directly on the waterline, and the reason being is because it just causes irritation. So you would get your tape and then start ripping pieces of tape off so that you can apply them to the exposed lashes on the bottom. So I use exactly 4 pieces of tape every time. You just don't really need too much tape for the bottom lash line. So I use 1 tape, and then I use the other piece to kind of like cross over that first piece. And the point would be to make sure that you're getting all the lashes that are exposed. Now the tape can go closer to the water line than the actual pads, and so you should not see any bottom lashes exposed after you do the tape on both sides. So you can really use however much tape you want. So pretty much just use however much it takes you to get all of the lashes on the bottom taped down. So some people like to use a whole bunch of tape, and some people don't use the eye pads. They want to just use tape. So whatever works for you. The point would be to make sure that you have all the bottom lashes taped down and that you are ready to do your extensions, and you won't have them glued together at the end. So once you have both sides taped down, they should be pretty secure. You kind of want to press down on them a little bit just to make sure that they're not moving, and then you brush through your lashes and you start your set. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what other videos would help you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.